People that's having troubles and difficulties taking this out, this is the video for you.
Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, and in today's video we are going to be doing a takedown video. Guys, look at my hair. I have had these faux locks in my hair for so long. Like, look at them. Like, look at all the freaking new growth. You can barely see the line. And the only reason why you can see the line in the middle is because I've been keeping track of it. But even look at the front of my hair. Like, it's been drying up so bad. Because if you guys don't know, I have seborrheic. I think that's how you pronounce it. If that's not how you pronounce it, please do not get on me. But I will put it down below. It's going to be floating across the screen. But that's what I do have. And that's why my hairline is so white. It's because it's like dry skin, and I get it like around the bridges of my nose. I get it all, like, not just across the hairline, I get it all in my hair too, but the hairline is where it just peaks the most, I guess. It's like all back here, and it's everywhere. So today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take down your faux locks, like the easiest way, so you would not be cutting no hair. And I had to learn this way because it's this braid right here. I cut my hair, guys, trying to take out a faux locks one time, and yeah, we just not gonna make that mistake that I did, and I learned how to do it now, so you guys can just basically learn from my mistakes and take your hair down the easiest way. So I already started with a few. As you can see, I got my mirror here. I took down 3, and look at all that new growth. Like, look at all that. Let's do this one right here, right? Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Ooh, y'all all up in my business. Y'all see my dry skin and everything. Oh. Okay, so this is the dread, and as you can see, or cannot see, let me get a little bit more closer. You can't see the dread and the hair. You mostly just see them together. Oh god, my hair look a mess. Oh my god. So first you're gonna start with is twisting the hair, right? You're gonna twist it so you can kind of loosen it up. Whichever way you put it on there, twist it so you can loosen it up. You want to get it as loose as possible. Me, I usually just twist mine both ways. So I'm twisting it back and forth, left and right, to get it loose. Because honestly, well, most of these I twist them one way and then I twist them another way. So I can't remember which way I twist them, but I'm just twisting them back and forth, twisting them back and forth, right? So then my braid started to pop out. I'm not sure if you guys can see right there, but that's my braid. So I'm just going to pull my braid out of the hair. So now I have my real hair and I have the faux locks. But you can see it's still this little piece of hair that's holding on for dear life attached to this dread. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're basically just going to carefully cut that small part off. This is the faux lock. And then you have the hair that you crochet into your hair that's still in there somewhere. Oh, it's right there. So this is that little piece that I crocheted around my faux lock right here. So that's all. Like, this is the faux lock, there's that little piece, and then this is my hair. People that's having troubles and difficulties taking this out, this is the video for you. Let's just do another one, okay? Let's do this one. You can't even see my parts. So you're going to twist the hair from the roots. You're gonna twist the hair. How you twist it on, you're gonna twist it off. I forgot another small detail. While you're twisting this, make sure you're pulling it down so you can kind of like reveal the braid. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but for some people, that's like those small minor details are very important. So when you're pushing down the hair, when you're twisting it, make sure you're pulling down the fallout too. So I'm holding one hand on my hair, one hand on neck, one hand on frontal. I'm sorry, that's just funny. So I'm holding one hand. I'm holding one hand on the braid and the other hand on the lock. And as I'm twisting it, I'm pulling it, twist and pull, and you can see that the braid right there, that thing is the braid and it's revealing itself. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that braid out. And then ta-da! That's the ta-da right there. That little piece hanging on, that's the lock. So just gonna cut that. And bam, that one slid out. I didn't cut it all the way through. I only cut a little bit piece through, but that's it right there, guys. That's it. So that's basically it, guys. I'm about to finish taking down my hair so I can wash it. But yeah, so I hope you guys learned how to take down your faux locks safely, easy, and 2.5 seconds, no problems. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please don't be like me and leave your hair for decades, because then your hair gonna start getting matted up, and for a minute these was gonna turn into real dreads, and I didn't want that. So yeah, that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video.